Let's dive into the most sought-after robot vacuums that make cleaning effortless for beginners. Whether you're stepping into smart home technology or looking to upgrade your cleaning routine, these top 5 robot vacuum for beginners options deliver outstanding performance without complexity. Check out the links in the description for current prices and detailed specifications. Starting at number 5, the ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner brings visual navigation technology to your cleaning arsenal. With an impressive 6,000 PA suction power, this vacuum handles everything from fine dust to larger debris. The integrated app control opens up features like virtual barriers, letting you block off areas you don't want cleaned. What sets it apart is the specialized carpet detection system. It automatically adjusts suction power when moving from hard floors to carpets. The 2-hour battery life ensures complete coverage of most homes in a single charge. Features that make it stand out. Visual mapping creates efficient cleaning paths. Virtual barriers through smartphone app. Adjustable suction levels up to 6,000 PA. Compatible with multiple floor types. Advanced HEPA filtration system. Moving on to number 4, the ILIFE T10s brings innovation with its auto empty station. This vacuum eliminates the daily hassle of emptying the dustbin, thanks to its 2.5L large capacity dust bag that holds up to 60 days of debris. The LDS navigation system scans and maps your home with precision, creating optimal cleaning routes. Battery life extends to 2.5 hours, perfect for larger homes. The 3,000 pascal suction might seem lower than others, but it proves more than capable for daily cleaning tasks. Key features worth noting: auto empty station with 60-day capacity, LDS navigation for precise mapping, extended 2.5-hour runtime, app-based remote control, efficient HEPA filtration. Stepping up to number 3, the GOOVI BR151 impresses with its versatile 3-in-1 cleaning system. It combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in one efficient unit. The 6,000 pascal suction power matches our number 5 pick, but adds wet cleaning capabilities. The 2,500 mAh battery delivers consistent performance for up to 2 hours. Navigation might follow a random pattern, but it ensures thorough coverage through persistent cleaning algorithms. Standout features include powerful 6,000 pascal suction capability, integrated mopping system, 2,500 mAh long-lasting battery, multiple cleaning modes, remote control functionality. Taking the second spot, the BOAIMORE 3600 PA demonstrates smart technology at its finest. Voice control integration with Alexa and Google Home makes operation intuitive. The intelligent mapping system creates detailed floor plans, while anti-collision sensors prevent bumps and falls. A combination of 600 ml dust box and 180 ml water tank provides extended cleaning sessions. The 4,400 mAh battery offers impressive 120-minute runtime, ideal for homes up to 150 square meters. Notable features include voice control compatibility, intelligent mapping technology, large capacity dust and water tanks, 4,400 mAh battery capacity, anti-collision protection. Claiming our top position, the Aliexpress M7S emerges as the perfect companion for beginners. This vacuum combines powerful 4,000 pascal suction with smart dynamic navigation, creating an efficient cleaning experience. The 2D mapping system remembers your home's layout, ensuring consistent coverage. What truly sets it apart is the intuitive interface. Clear LCD display, straightforward controls, and seamless smart home integration make it accessible for new users. The combination of dry vacuum and wet mop functionality provides versatile cleaning options without overwhelming complexity. Outstanding features that secured its top position: smart dynamic navigation system, user-friendly interface, combined vacuum and mop functionality, efficient HEPA filtration, compatible with smart home systems. Conclusion: choosing the right robot vacuum doesn't have to be overwhelming. Each of these top 5 models offers unique features tailored to beginners, making cleaning effortless and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights. See you in the next one.